there was information that the JSU had been lined up and cordoned off the stadium where I operate from. And indeed, I was being asked not to come. But at Simba, I cannot, I'm the king of this kingdom. I cannot run away from it. I had to come to the office this morning to see exactly what is happening. Therefore, when I came in, I found that the police, they had strategically been positioned, the JSU, from all the way the gate to the far end. What I did is that I went ahead with saluted, and I wanted to know what they were doing in the side. Their boss, I think, was in the vehicle. Therefore, I called all of them together just to understand what they were doing. But this is just sheer nonsense. Misuse of JSU to intimidate, because there is no reason completely. The whole week the JSU have been around. I'm told from reliable sources there were recce squads after we launched the circle for border in the municipality. And the reasoning, and I want to ask the president, has been talking about border. Therefore, we did launch the border circle here in the stadium, 6,000 of them from the municipality. And these people, that's how we want to shape up their life. But it's unfortunate that the police could have not had anything to do with actually raiding my office. It's only they are being misused just to intimidate us. But there is information. They want to look for anything for arrest. Arrest Arati, take him to the cells, let him come out after one day, just to satisfy their own ego. I want to tell you, I'm not scared of any cell, any prison. I'll do what I was elected to do. Therefore, I've asked the JSU, I've asked them to leave the study, and I'm happy now. You can see they are leaving. Until if they have anything, and they're sorry, they want to come and raid my home. I welcome it. I want to ask you, don't come at night, come daytime. I'll open for you even my toilet, anything you want for my home. Files, I want to say, any file in my residence is my office. I want to say that. Because I have information, and this information I know is a true information from the people who have given it.